Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafter's Barn tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit an existing product. Maybe you want to change the pictures, update the price, or change the description of the product that you've already added. It's really simple, and in this guide I'll quickly show you how we do it. So let's take a look. From your seller dashboard, go to the Products tab. Here, on the page that loads, you'll see a list of all your products. Find the product you want to edit and click Edit under the product name. You'll now see the product form again, just like when you first created it. Here you can update any information that you originally entered when you first added the product onto the Crafter's Barn website. You can update your title or description, change your price or set a sale price, upload new photos if you've taken better ones, or adjust any other information such as the categories, tags or shipping details. You can also add in any additional information that you didn't originally put in when you first added the product. In this particular example, the product that we are looking at the moment has no keywords associated with it or tags. You are free to add any of this information at any time. So if you are not sure what type of information that you would like to put in when you first add the product, put in the information that you want to put in at first, and you are free to go back and change or add to that information at any time. When you've finished making changes, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Product. Your changes will save instantly and will be reflected on your product page and your shop. And that's it. You can edit your products as many times as you like, so you don't need to worry if you need to make adjustments later. In the next video, we'll look at shipping costs and how to set those up, so stay tuned for that.